Hi, in front of me is Huawei P-Smart 2021 NFC, and today I would like to show you how you can manage App Permission Manager on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down, go into Apps, and click on Permissions. Over here, pick one of the options, for example Location, and select an app. I will go with browsers. I have to tap on it and pick one of the options, allow all the time, allow only while in use, and deny. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back, I can see that browser gained access to my device location. But if you want to see all permissions of any of your apps, you can tap on it and select See All Browser Permissions. All you need to do from here is tap on one of the options and manage your permissions from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!